everybody. Today it's gonna be an unboxing video. And most of y'all, my subscribers and likers, y'all probably don't like the unboxing videos. Probably y'all haven't seen the unboxing videos, but let's just get right into it so y'all won't have to wait too long like all those other YouTube people.
What does it say? Let me see.
It's dirty knee guard youth.
So dirt knee guard youth. What about the elbow pads? You've never had elbow pads before, have you? No?
Only once.
Only once?
Yeah, because of the bike elbow pads.
Your bicycle
Yes.
pads? I think one of them's for the left arm and one of them's for the right arm.
No. Mine.
Is that on right? Your elbow, that bony piece in your elbow is supposed to be at that bulge. Think you'll feel safe with those on?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What else is in the box? Is that a book?
Just a newspaper.
And stickers. Where are you going to put those stickers? Why are you doing that? Now you won't be able to open the book.
Thank you, Oneal. I love the pads. Now I can't wait to use them. And I can't wait to read this book.